Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crocheters Creed, and today we are going to be learning how to do the a chain, and the single crochet stitch. So, in the previous video you already saw how to do a slip knot and a magic circle, but today we're going to be using the slip knot, and I've already gotten my hook and my slip knot on here. Now, when I first started crocheting, this is how my teacher showed us. This is the standard way of how I see a lot of people crochet, right? I had to build to this. It took me about a year to actually hold it this way, so don't feel bad if you can't. I used to crochet like this. I used to hold the hook and yarn over and pull through. That's how I used to hold it. But it doesn't really matter. However you hold it is what's comfortable for you. So what you're going to do, a chain, you're going to insert your hook into the slip knot. This is a slip knot. You're going to insert your hook into the slip knot, and what you're going to do is, this is called a yarn over. You're going to wrap your yarn around your hook, like that, and you're going to pull the hook down, and it makes a stitch. You're going to wrap your hook, so you're going to go back and around, yarn over, and pull through. Back, around, yarn over. Back, around, yarn over. Back and around, pull through, yarn over. Back, you see it's on your hook there, you pull down, pull through. Now, this is a chain. So back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now this is called a chain. Now I'm going to make it a little bit longer. After you know how to do it, it's pretty fast. I'm not trying to be a show-off, guys. I just thought that was a little bit shorter for what I want to make sure you know and see the stitch. Now, after you have this is a chain. Now after you master the chain, we're going to go into single crochet. Single crochet is the tiniest stitch. So what you're going to do is, you see the next stitch, this stitch here, from your hook. Your hook's here and the stitch is right here, right? So what you're going to do is, with a single crochet, you're going to take your hook and go in to that stitch. So it's the stitch or the loop that's from the hook that you have now, and you're going to go in. Well, hold on. You're going to go in, and now you have two loops on your hook, okay? Now we just learned the yarn over. So what you're going to do is yarn over, pull through the top loop. I want to show you that again. Go through the stitch. It's two loops, right? It's this top loop here. Yarn over, pull through the top loop. Now you still got two on your hook. After that, you're going to yarn over again, pull through those two loops, and again you end back with one loop on your thing. That's a single crochet. We're going to try that again. Go into the next stitch. Don't think that this part here, this gap, is a stitch. It can be, but then you would be increasing, and we're going to learn that a bit later. So don't think that this is the next stitch. The stitch right next to it, the smaller one. You're going to go into it, insert your hook into it. Now you have two loops on your hook. The top loop you're aiming at. So yarn over, pull through the top loop. Alright? And you're going to yarn over again, pull through both loops, and this is a single crochet. Now once you get the hang of it, it'll be pretty easy. And the first project I've ever made by myself was a scarf. It wasn't the best scarf, and I made it in the summertime, but it was a lot of fun. Once you get the basics down, you can make anything. So I'm going to single crochet a little bit more, and that's what it's going to look like. and you can keep going how many rows. You can make scarves with it, but this is the base, this is the first stitch. It's a single crochet and it's the smallest. So the next video I believe I'm going to put out is the double crochet stitch and the half double crochet stitch. Sorry. But I thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope this is helping, you know, beginners who want to get into crochet. I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope I was very clear. But I thank you for visiting my channel, and I will see you soon.